Hi guys, so today I want to introduce you to all of our products and all of our services. If you go on our website, www.myeb2niw.com, you'll see all the products and services that we offer. We have template documents, we have template petition letters, template recommendation letters to help you get started. We also have an EB2NIW toolkit just to help you get your petition started. All right, that toolkit has all the things that you need to write a stellar petition and be able to submit to USCIS. We also have services like petition letter reviews, petition letter drafting, and recommendation letter drafting that will help you get your application up and running as soon as possible. If you want to take advantage of that, please go to our website, www.myeb2niw.com. You can go ahead and follow us on social media so you can keep track of all of our activities. All right. So if you're on Instagram, which is our favorite, it's EB2NIW. And of course, we're going to put all of that information in the description portion of this video at your disposal. All right. So thank you so much for listening and have a good one.